What's up you guys, my name is Jonas and in today's video I'll be showing you the top 4 Shopify apps in order to maximize your conversion, so to put more money in your pockets. Number 1, SMS Bump. SMS Bump is a super powerful remarketing tool, and to give you guys a little reference, I've only spent $20 on this app and it has generated over 14,000 in sales, which equals an ROI of 70,000, which is absolutely insane. SMS Bump comes into play when a customer adds your product to cart, then he checks out and puts all of his contact information into the system, but then for some reason he decides to exit the checkout. An SMS Bump will send a short text message to this customer saying, here's a 10% discount and here's a link how you can finish your checkout. That's it. In my store I've set up SMS Bump super aggressively, so the first text message comes after 5 minutes, and if the potential customer still didn't check out, he will get another text after 2 hours with a higher percentage of his order. And if he still didn't check out, he will get another text message after 20 hours with a 20% discount code. Maybe for some of you 20% sounds quite a lot, but it's still much cheaper to give the customer 20% off his order than losing him. And one of the greatest things about SMS Bump is that you only have to set it up once, and after it works fully automatically. And I've already posted a tutorial on SMS Bump how I was able to generate an ROI of 70,000. You can check that out in the description below. Number 2. Vitals 40. Vitals 40 is assisting around 20% of all of my orders. Vitals 40 has many different features, but the one that are most interesting to me is volume discounts and also sticky add to cart. The volume discount will appear right under the add to cart button on your product page and encourages the customer to order more than just one single unit. Obviously, the more units the customer buys, the bigger the discount will be, but obviously it's fully customizable. And the next amazing feature about Vitals 40 is sticky add to cart. Sticky add to cart adds a floating cart and checkout bar that becomes visible when shoppers scroll down on your product page. This simple feature significantly reduces cart abandonment and increases the conversion rate. So yeah, super cool feature I think. So let's move on with number 3. Candy Rag one-click upsells. In order to use this Shopify app successfully, you need to have at least 2 products in your store. If somebody adds your product to cart, a customizable pop-up including the upsell product appears, and the customer will be asked if he wants to add the upsell product to his cart. And in my experience, this works extremely well if you advertise an expensive product and try to upsell a cheaper product that's also relevant to your customer. For example, you advertise an expensive smartphone and you try to upsell the matching phone case, which is obviously a lot cheaper. And this is a super easy and also effective way how you can increase your average order value. To give you guys some data, I've implemented this feature on my store and the take rate for the upsell product is 14%. Make sure you make great use of this app. And last but not least, number 4, looks photo reviews. When you first start off a new store, it most likely won't have any reviews. And this is actually quite a bit of a challenge because most customers want to check reviews before they actually decide to buy a product. And Looks Photo Reviews allows you to import photo reviews from AliExpress, from your product obviously, into your store. And these reviews from AliExpress, they are already genuine reviews, often they are photos. And this is a great way how you can get social proof for your new store and therefore better conversions. And guys, that's already it, and I hope this was helpful, and if so, smash the like button and subscribe for more e-commerce videos, and I really hope to see you guys next time.